Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is lesson 72 of the JavaScript algorithms and data structures course on freecodecamp.org. And the title of this lesson is Introducing Else If. Okay, so you have else, we have if, we have else, and then there's else if. They all work hand in glove. So if you know multiple conditions that need to be addressed, you can chain if statement together with with else if statement. Okay, so this is the example. If number is greater than 15, yeah, return this. Else if number is less than 5, return this. Else, you know, return this. All right, it's very simple. So it says that we should convert the logic to use else if statements. Okay, so we have if val is greater than 10, return greater than 10. If val is less than 5. So we could have our else here, and then a final else, no if. Um, hmm, Close my brackets. Yeah. So if val is greater than 10, return greater than 10. Else, if val is less than 5, return smaller than 5. Else, um, return between 5 and 10. So it helps us to um give how do I put it, allow more conditions. All right, allow more conditions. So for every condition there is something that is to be done. For every condition there are certain lines of codes that we want to run. So okay, so let's use this example. If this child is less than 5 years of age, don't allow him to walk out on his own. All right, to walk out of the compound on his own. If this child um is less than 10, okay, he could go into the compound. All right, he could play around, but don't allow him to leave the gate. But if this child is less than 15, okay, or we could say else, that is every other age, 10, 11 and above. Okay, he could go out of the compound, but just for a little while, come back in an hour, stuff like that. Let's go ahead and console the log this. Let's see what our result is. Okay, before I do that, what do you think the result will be, anyways? We have 7 here. So, what are we expecting to be printed to our console? You could just type it in the comment section if you can. Okay. Okay, since we have 7 here, let's go by line. It's going to test, okay, if is 7 greater than 10, that is not true. So it goes on to the next. Is 7 less than 5? That is not true. It's false, okay? So then it goes on to the last part of our chain, else, which is else. And there is really no condition here. It's just else. So whatever thing remains. And any value that didn't, or any value that didn't pass this condition and pass this condition, it just should be executed here, just like saying, if you're in grade 1, follow me, every other person go there. you know so I hope that makes sense. So this should give us return this should give us a result between 5 and 10. Yeah, between 5 and 10. I hope that you also got that. All right, let's go ahead and run our test, and there we go. For a moment, I thought that something was wrong. Okay, so that is the end of this lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, invite your friends to also watch. Being a good friend. One sign of being a good friend is telling your friends about good things. All right, opportunity. Maybe there's a friend you have who has been who wants to learn a skill, or who is interested in programming but he doesn't know how to start, you could just say, "Oh, I found this cool channel on YouTube and I would like you to, go watch it. Here is the link." You're being a good friend by doing that. In years to come, your friend will thank you. Okay. So share, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, also subscribe, and see you in my next channel or in my next video. Sorry. Yeah. Bye.